Experiencing freezing, crashing, or loading problems with apps on your EETV box? You're not alone. Let's explore the most common issues and quick solutions that work. The EETV box is a powerful streaming device, but like any technology, it can experience app-related problems that frustrate users. The three most common issues users report are app freezing during playback, apps crashing to the home screen, and infinite loading screens that never resolve. These problems most commonly affect popular streaming services like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, ITVX, and YouTube, which are among the most resource-intensive apps on the platform. These issues typically stem from three main causes: limited RAM allocation on older box models, network connectivity problems, and software conflicts between apps and the Android TV operating system. Now let's look at three proven quick fixes that can resolve most app issues without needing technical support. The first method is a soft reset. Unplug your EETV box for 30 seconds while simultaneously restarting your router. This clears temporary memory issues and refreshes network connections, resolving freezing problems 60 to 70% of the time. The second method targets specific app problems. Force close the problematic app, then go to Settings and Apps to clear the app's cache, which removes corrupted temporary files. Finally, restart the app. This resolves loading issues 50 to 60% of the time. The third method focuses on network connectivity. Disconnect from Wi-Fi completely, restart your TV box, then reconnect to your network. This refreshes the network connection and can resolve streaming problems 40 to 50% of the time. These three quick fix methods can often get your apps back up and running within minutes. Try them in order, starting with the soft reset, as they address the most common underlying causes of app problems on EETV boxes. When quick fixes don't resolve your EETV box app issues, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. The most effective solution is a factory reset, which resolves persistent problems in 80 to 90% of cases. Another powerful troubleshooting technique involves clearing the system cache partition and optimizing storage allocation. This process removes temporary files and corrupted data that can cause app crashes and performance issues. Network optimization is crucial for preventing future app problems. Using a wired Ethernet connection provides the most stable connection, eliminating Wi-Fi interference that can cause streaming interruptions. Router configuration plays a vital role in streaming performance. Access your router's admin panel to configure quality of service settings, which prioritize streaming traffic over other network activities. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future problems. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to keep your EETV box running smoothly and minimize app-related issues. By implementing these advanced troubleshooting techniques and following a regular maintenance schedule, you can significantly reduce EETV box app issues. These methods address the root causes of problems and help maintain optimal performance for your streaming experience.